What's up, guys? Today I'm going to go outside and fish with this topwater bait. I've caught a bass and a bluegill, and yeah, I'll be outside in 3, 2, 1. Alright, guys, I'm over here and I'm going to go fishing. So, I want to tell you guys something. Today is the day after my 11th birthday, so I just wanted to let you guys know that. So, yeah. I think it's cool to just share that on the internet. So, if you could subscribe, that would be great. Because on this channel, it's kind of boring because I don't really catch much fish on this channel. But it'd be great if you subscribed. So, I would say I catch a fish in 3, 2, 1, but you never know. Nothing could bite on this. Like I said, you didn't hear me over the Michael Jackson music in the house, Mom. If you couldn't hear me over that. I said I caught a huge bass and a bluegill, and it was just super, super fun. I didn't think I'd catch a fish today, but yeah. Well, I did catch a fish before then because, like, earlier in the day, I caught a fish. So, yeah. Jeez, that thing went boom. Okay, I really don't want to do this. Well, it's a great idea, also not. Let's try it. I'll cast it out in the moss. I can't. That's great. You know what would be cool, guys? If I caught catfish or bass, because I understand these videos are really, really boring. So I hope you guys don't get too bored while watching my videos. I'm a very impatient person. So if literally I'm watching a video, I just ruined my pool. Anyways, if you guys are that same type of impatient person, I'm severely sorry about that. It's just I can't really catch any fish. And the bluegill were betting last weekend. I understand. I should have made a video, but too bad. Man, I really wish you guys would have saw me catch all of the fish. It would be awesome if I could cast on that. So now we're gonna go try to another spot. So I'll be in a different spot in 3, 2, 1. Alright, here I am. Back in another spot. And oh my god, why did I do that so fast? Anyways, so it's already been 5 minutes and I only have 13 minutes to record. So I don't want to waste too much time on trying to catch a fish. I can't catch a fish today. I mean, I won't be very happy. But it was all worth making a video because I haven't uploaded in a while. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Something is not okay with this pole. Normally my bait should have just casted like miles away. So I'm gonna cast really far. And just really hope I catch a fish. But I don't think a bass is gonna bite a topwater bait. So yeah. Boing. Oh snap, I better pause. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I was about to get it on a branch, so now I'm just gonna cast it. Fish must not want the bait. Dad, it's already 8 minutes. I'm gonna pause the video and keep fishing, and if I catch a fish on pause, I'm gonna lean in. So, peace for now. Guys, look. I see a snake. What, Dad? Ew. Oof. That was cool. Alright guys, that's gonna end our video today. So, I hope you all have a great night, and be sure to subscribe, and then bye-bye.